We are the distribution warehouse for Orrcon, Queensland. We have a hub and spoke model. We do the distribution for all the customers in Brisbane, also to the branches covering from Cairns, Charters Towers, Bundaberg, Toowoomba. Our steel comes from the mill at Salisbury, and from here we just pack and sometimes we process a bit too, and then distribute to our customers and branches.
We pick, pack, unload and load trucks. On day shift, which is our shift, we unload and put away trucks. We do obviously have a lot of import and other material that come in, but mainly most of our RHS and pipe comes from our Salisbury mill. 95% of the product is hollow. It's either round or square or rectangular pipe. To complement all these hollow sections, we have the beams, channels, and flat products, angles, and all that.
I started working on the DG. The main job that it does is cut little round bars that we send to a customer that use them for the trays of utes. And if you feed it, it cuts it to length and then puts it out the other end and deburrs it, and then we just strap it for the customer.
We're the first point of contact for a lot of our customers, both distribution and some of the cash sales and prospective customers as well. We communicate with all different departments, whether it be the sales teams, operations, our transport providers, and other business units within BlueScope. We maintain quite a close relationship with everyone.
We are close with all three teams work together. Sales guys often go to the back and have a chat with the frontline workers, so with the transport guys as well.
I have been at Orrcon since August 2016. Yeah, my partner's in defence, so his training was in Wodonga in Victoria, so I transferred to Albury, New South Wales. We were there for about 6 months and then I came back to Brisbane and transferred back. To come back to this site, it was very welcoming. I've obviously been here since I was 17, so I've grown up with everyone here. That's still a familiar face.
I started at the Salisbury site. I started over there in the logistics, so just loading the trucks. Doing that for 2 years, which was really good. I really enjoyed it. And then I transferred over to here just for the hours.
Looking at the different various industries, came across the steel industry, sort of looked into BlueScope, and I found that quite interesting and thought I could help the steel industry, so I came around and applied for the job, which was available at the time, and here I am today. I'm
born in Sri Lanka, lived in India, lived in New Zealand, and finally ended up here. Been here 16 years now, out of which I've been with Orrcon nearly 11 years. Very supportive team, if you are thinking of something in BlueScope, it's already done somewhere. It's a matter of you knowing whom to talk to.
It was a bit last minute before I left on maternity leave. My team leader back then, he resigned and went to another job, so I applied because I've always wanted to be a team leader on day shift, especially under my boss Mick. I guess I was the best for the role, so yeah, I was pretty lucky to get it just before maternity leave. Definitely had check-ins from Balu during my maternity leave, which was nice. I sent photos to our shift supervisor when I had the baby just to say he's here. We're like a big family, so I had to let everyone know he was here, yeah. Yeah, I've come straight back into the position, which has been great, been welcoming, yeah.
Probably the most thing I like is about dealing with our customers. A word we use quite strongly is loyalty. We take care of our customers who have been with us for a long time.
I go and visit customers as well. We try our best to send the frontline workers to go and visit the customers too, so that they get to know the end product of the steel that we supply to them.
See what the day brings, like I said, I'm starting to learn other parts around here on the site and stuff, so I like a bit of a challenge, and the people are great to work with.
We are having a diverse range, you got myself and lots of people from other ethnic group, and you got male, female, 18-year-old to 68-year-old working in here.
Everyone's so lovely and welcoming as well. Everyone's got respect, so I don't have any trouble talking to anyone or telling someone the right or wrong thing.